Welcome to the DataStage Manager. Think of it as the superhero HQ for your data projects. It's where you organize everything, control metadata like a boss, and keep track of job statuses. Without it, managing DataStage would be like herding cats, chaotic and unpredictable. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. IBM DataStage is your ultimate data choreographer, ensuring smooth transitions between different data sources. It's like a dance floor where structured and unstructured data groove together effortlessly. No coding nightmares, just a friendly graphical interface to keep things elegant. Fast, scalable, and efficient, that's IBM DataStage in a nutshell. Whether handling big data or working in the cloud, it's designed to make your life easier. And yes, the drag and drop feature saves you from unnecessary headaches, because who has time to manually code everything? ETL in DataStage is like making the perfect smoothie, extracting fresh ingredients data, blending them to the right consistency, transforming, and pouring the result into a fancy glass, loading. And just like a smoothie, bad ingredients lead to a bad outcome. Choose wisely. All right, folks, let's talk about data transformation. Because raw data is like an unpolished diamond, full of potential but rough around the edges. First, we need to clean up the mess, remove duplicates, fix inconsistencies. Then comes the magic, applying transformation rules to make data meaningful. Lookups and reference data help us enrich our results. And finally, we optimize, because no one likes a sluggish data pipeline. A smooth sailing ahead. Errors are like uninvited guests, they show up when you least expect them. First, we identify common troublemakers. Then logging helps us keep track of what went wrong, kind of like a detective's notebook. Debugging tools are our magnifying glass to zoom into the issue. And ensuring data integrity makes sure our data stays reliable. With these techniques, we can turn debugging from a nightmare into a victory. Imagine data integration like making new friends. APIs and databases are exciting connections. But before diving in, we must understand different data formats, just like learning a friend's language. A seamless data flow ensures everything syncs perfectly. And let's not forget security, because nobody wants an unwanted data leak. Get these right, and your data integration will be rock solid. Good data stage development is like building a well-architected house. Modular components act as strong foundation blocks. A performance optimization ensures speed, because slow processing is like waiting for paint to dry. A scalability keeps the system future-proof. And documentation. Think of it as a user manual, because you never want a mystery when troubleshooting. Ever wondered where all this magic fits in the real world? DataStage shines in data warehousing and making sense of business intelligence reports. ETL processes help enterprises manage vast amounts of data. And when handling big data, efficiency is key, because drowning in data is not the goal. With these applications, DataStage becomes a game changer. And that's a wrap. We covered transformation techniques, error handling, integration, best practices, and real-world applications. Avoid common pitfalls like neglecting logging or ignoring performance optimization. Stay ahead by keeping an eye on future trends. And for the go-getters, I've got recommendations for further learning. Time to turn knowledge into actions. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.